Hello students, welcome in Raj Sir Chemistry channel. Today we will discuss some multiple choice questions on today's session, that is crystalline solid and amorphous solid. The first MCQ is a crystalline solid has. A crystalline solid has. There are four options. Just you have to read carefully. The first option A is long range order. Option B is short range order. Option C disordered arrangement, and option D is none of the. Today we have to learn a crystalline solid has long range order. So option is the correct option. Okay. Next MCQ, second number MCQ. The ability of crystalline solid to change values of physical properties when measured in different directions is called as. Okay. This is the definition. This is the important property which is governed by crystalline solid. And the correct there are four options. First option A is isotropy, option B is anisotropy, option C is isomerism, and option D is none of these. So this is the property which is related to crystalline solid. We call it as anisotropy because we know that anisotropy is the ability of crystalline solid to change the values of physical properties in different direction due to different composition present in that solid. So option B is the correct option. 3. Third number MCQ, which is not a property of solid. There are four options. Just you have to read carefully. Option A is solids are always crystalline in nature. Option B is solids have high density and low compressibility. Option C is the diffusion of solid is very slow. Option D is solids have definite volume. We know that solids are not always crystalline in nature because solids are of two types based on the arrangement of constituent particles. So option B, C, D are governed by crystalline solid. Option A is the correct answer. It is not the property of solid. Next MCQ, amorphous solids are. So these are the four options. Amorphous solids possess sharp melting point. Option B, undergo clean cleavage when cut with knife. Option C, do not undergo clean cleavage when cut with knife. And option D, possess orderly arrangement over long distance. ओके, तर आपल्याला माहित आहे की हे जे काय फोर ऑप्शन्स आपल्या पुढे दिलेले आहेत, amorphous solids जे असतात, amorphous solids when we cut with edged tool they cannot undergo clean cleavages. So option C is the correct option. Fifth number MCQ, a solid having no definite shape, such as solids we call it as. There are four options. First A option is amorphous solid, option B is crystalline solid, option C is anisotropic solid, and option D allotropic solids. So we know that a solids having no definite shape we call it as amorphous solids. Such solids we call it as pseudo solids or supercooled liquids. So option A is the correct. Sixth number, which is oblique are amorphous solids. Okay, so there are the examples are given as option. Option A is rubber, option B is plastic, option C is a glass, and option D is all of three. So we know that rubber, plastic, glass are the amorphous solids. So option D is the correct. Next, 7 number MCQ, a solid having irregular shape. A solid having irregular shape or random shape is called as dash dash solid. There are four options. First option is amorphous solid, option B is crystalline solid, option C is anisotropic solid, and option D is isomorphous. So we know that such solids we call it as amorphous solids. So option A is the correct option. 8 number MCQ, which is not a property of solid. There are four options are given. Option A is solids are always crystalline in nature. Solids have high density and low compressibility. The diffusion of solid is very slow. And option D, solids have definite volume. So option is the correct option. Option A is the correct option. 9 number MCQ, Which among the following will show anisotropy? We know that today's session we have to learn crystalline solid shows anisotropy. There are four options. These are the four examples. That is glass, barium chloride, wood, and paper. Glass, wood, paper are amorphous solids. Barium chloride is a crystalline solid, so it shows anisotropic nature. 10 number MCQ. A substance having sharp melting point is. There are four options. A option is NaCl, B option is rubber, C option is plastic, and D option is a protein. Okay, so there are the four examples. Okay, but we know that which option is correct option, that is a NaCl, because NaCl is a crystalline solid and it shows sharp melting point. Option B, C, D are amorphous solids, they do not shows sharp melting point. 11 number MCQ. A solid having definite heat of fusion is. There are four options. These are the four examples. Option A is plastic, option B is CaCl2, option C is glass, and option D is soda lime glass. I will give you a hint. Crystalline solids have definite heat of fusion, and we know that plastic, glass, soda lime glass, they are amorphous solid, and only CaCl2, calcium chloride, is a crystalline solid. It shows definite heat of fusion. So option B is the correct option. Okay, so these are the MCQs which are based on crystalline solid and amorphous solid. If any doubt related to these MCQs, just you have to chat on my number. My WhatsApp number is 8805696893. Okay, thank you students. If you like my video, then you have to like my video. If you have to like my video, then you have to subscribe my channel. Thank you.